All right, welcome back, Algebra A. Here's the rundown for this week. For Tuesday today, please make sure you watch this video of the rundown and also watch the video of the notes for 4.4, and that is solving systems of equations with word problems. Your homework for Tuesday is worksheet 4.4, number 1. That is going to be due on Wednesday. Wednesday afternoon, I'll have a help session at 2 o'clock. You can use the access code PCM Kosenki, and worksheet 1 will be due that night. On Thursday, use the same notes from Tuesday. So the notes that we posted this week, the video is good for the entire week. So on Thursday, you're going to do worksheet 4.4, number 2. That's additional practice with word problems. That is going to be due on Friday. And again, on Friday, I will host a help session at 2 o'clock. And you can use the access code AA Kosenki to access the Google Meet time if you have questions. All right, that's our rundown for the week. Hope all is well, and we'll talk to you soon.